Okay, so for today's lesson, the way this is going to work is you are going to work through the sheet. You'll complete the warm-up, then you'll watch me go through the warm-up. You'll take notes on the different activating strategy and the examples, and you'll do some problems on your own. So at this point, you should pause the tape until your warm-up is complete. Number one says, which of the following is equivalent to -4 parentheses 4x minus 2a? Well, in order to solve this, you need to use your Desmos calculator. And what you have to type in, and this is really important, is -4 times 4. And -4 times 4 is -16. So we're looking at a -16x. Right off the bat, we can eliminate anything that does not have a -16. Then we need to type in -4 times -2, and -4 times -2 gives you +8, so that is +8a, so number one is C. Number two says a large pizza at Domino's has a radius of 18 inches, a radius of 18 inches. That's pretty important to know, because if we know there's a radius of 18, we also know that the diameter is 36. Okay, if the pizza is going to be cut into 6 slices, what is the area of each slice? So we got to think about this a little bit. So we know we're looking at area, and area equals pi times radius squared, which means area equals pi times 18 to the second power. So on your Desmos calculator, when you do pi times 18 to the second power, that is going to give you the area of the circle. But that is not the final answer, because it's cut into 6 slices and we're looking to find the area of each slice. So to finish this off, you're going to have to take that area and divide it by 6 to get your final answer. So this is up to you to make sure you do this step on your Desmos calculator and get the correct answer. Now, number 3, this is just like what we did yesterday, where we are actually solving 2 different problems. It says a rectangular room has a length of 15 feet and a width of 12 feet. If a scale drawing of the room was made where 0.5 inches equals 2 feet, what are the dimensions of the room on the scale drawing in inches? So we have this ticket. It gives it to us. It tells us that 0.5 inches is worth 2 feet. Now, we have to do 2 different things here. We need to find the length and the width. So if it has a length of 15 feet, our unknown is inches. So we'll have to solve this problem right here, this proportion. We have to find that unknown amount in order to determine what the length is. In order to determine what the width is, we're going to use the same ticket. We're comparing inches and feet. We know that 0.5 inches is worth 2 feet. We know the width is 12 feet. We are trying to determine how many inches that is. So from here, once you get to this position, the rest of this should be fairly simple. It's the same process we've been doing for months now. We're going to cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, 2 times x is 2x. 0.5 times 15 gives you 7.5. To finish this, you'll divide each side by 2. And you'll literally type in your calculator 7.5 divided by 2, and you'll get 3.75. So that's one of your dimensions. Then you'll have to do the same thing on the bottom. You'll solve the second problem. So 2 times x is 2x. 12 times 0.5 is 6. You'll divide each side by 2, and you'll find that the other dimension is 3. So the dimensions are 3.75 by 3. Okay, today's LEQ is how can scale factors be used to solve problems? In today's activator, we're going to be working on those scaled copies. So the first thing that you need to do right now is check out your paper, because under the activating box, you have this drawing already given to you. And in this problem, you see that we're missing 2 different slides. You have to find the X and the N. Pause the tape and do that right now.